In an interview on Benchcop Radio, which was also broadcast live on social media, attorney-at-law Darren Wade supported the claims of the APNU AFC coalition party that no declaration of official results has been made, and therefore it is not yet clear as to who might emerge winner of the 2020 general and regional elections. The attorney made mention of the Gazetted Order of 2020, which speaks to the fact that votes must be reconciled, alluding to missing statutory documents, among other anomalies uncovered during the recently concluded national recount exercise.
And the Gazetted Order states that the votes must be reconciled, and any advice given to the chairman from the CO with unreconciled and unverified votes are unlawful.
On Tuesday, June 16, by way of a letter addressed to the Chief Elections Officer, Keith Lowenfield, and sent by the Chairman of the Commission, Justice Claudette Singh, retired, the Chairman has asked the CEO to prepare and submit a report to the Commission by Thursday, June 18, 2020, pursuant to Article 177(2)(b) of the Constitution and Section 96 of the Representation of the People's Act, Chapter 103. The attorney clarified what the Act states and what is expected from his point of view.
I believe, as a law, she mentioned 96, Section 96 of the Representation of the People Act makes it clear that valid votes. So the first question, one must determine what are valid votes. And quite clearly for me, take into consideration Gazetted Order 60 of 2020, of the year 2020, a valid vote in that context are the votes that can be reconciled.
The legal luminary is adamant that the declaration of results should only be made using valid votes cast, as is stated in the Representation of the People's Act, using the reports of GCOM to substantiate his claims of the presence of invalid votes. He is of the belief that the incumbent administration will remain in power should the law be adhered to.
My belief is I am trusting that Mr. Keith Lowenfield follows the law. And once he follows the law, the government will remain in power.
Guyanese are eagerly awaiting the declaration of results by the Election Commission after going to the polls on March 2, 2020. It is not very clear as to when a declaration will be made. Many of the political players involved in the 2020 general and regional elections have agreed to accept and respect the declaration of the results when they are announced. Reporting for HGP Nightly News, Wendell Badrie.